Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you how to disconnect fuel line on Mazda. We're demonstrating on CX7, but it will be the same for other ones as well. This one specifically has a 2.3 turbo engine, and if you don't do it right guys, you're risking buying a new one and a whole line, which could be pretty pricey. This is the one that we're talking about right here. That's the fuel feed line right here. So what do you need to do guys now? If you're doing any repairs, okay, you need to push down on it like that. And now you need to grab that blue piece and pull it to the side a little bit. Careful not to break it, not too much. And after that, all you have to do, just lift up the fuel line. It's going to spray fuel, so be careful. Okay, like that. That's how we have it. You can see it's closed like that, and that's how you open it, just like that a little bit. You have the two teeth on the inside, so when you open it like that, it unlocks. So not very complicated procedure at all. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.